Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to be using the ABH Alyssa Edwards palette, and we've already uploaded a few looks on our channel using this palette, but I definitely wanted to do neutral colors. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Vanilla, and I set it with some of my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And here is the palette right here. I absolutely love the packaging, and I think that all of the shades in this palette are super unique. I already said that in my last tutorial, but for those of you that haven't seen it yet, this is what it looks like. So the first shade that I'm going to be going into is called The Supreme, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to be applying this into my crease and kind of winging out that outer corner. We are going to be doing a cat eye type of shape today, so I'm just mapping it out first with this transition color just to kind of get a general knowing of where I want to apply the depth once we start to apply some depth. So just really blending this into my crease. Next, I'm grabbing my Colourpop angled brush, and I'm picking up this dark brown shade right there, and the pigmentation on this is really bomb. It's super pigmented, and I'm just applying this into my crease. And a lot of you guys said, what do I do if I don't know where to lay this crease down? You can go ahead and draw that crease with your eye open, and it'll give you the perfect map of where to apply it. I like to start in the very center and then do the outer corner and then the inner corner. And then I'm just grabbing this really small tapered brush. First I went in with the first transition color, left and right motions, and then I went in with that darker brown shade, the smallest amount, and I just kind of diffused that line doing left and right motions once again. And then I'm picking up this angled brush and my Too Faced concealer, and I just carved my lid. We have a whole video on that on our channel if you guys want to check that one out. And then I'm just grabbing this metallic gold shade and just applying this all over the lid. This shade is absolutely stunning. And then I'm grabbing this ABH loose glitter in the shade Star Power, which is a very beautiful gold and silver glitter. And I'm going to pop that into my crease, just the inner half of my crease. I've actually been loving that, not really taking it all the way out. I think that it adds a really nice touch. And then I'm grabbing that transition color and just buffing that onto the outer corner, and then grabbing my angled brush and that dark brown color, and I'm just starting to apply a smoky liner. And I absolutely love smoky liners with eyeshadow. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. It's a lot more subtle and natural than doing liquid liner. It just really complements the eyes. And I grabbed that smudger brush to help me diffuse that line. And then I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Jamaica lashes, which are probably my favorite lashes at the moment. And then I'm grabbing that first transition color with this smudger brush, and I'm just applying that as a transition color to my lower lash line. And then with a flat brush going into the dark brown shadow and just applying that to my lower lash line as well. And then marrying the two together with the smudger brush once again. And then I'm going to be applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Have you guys tried Too Faced new mascara? Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have. I actually have not tried it yet. And then I'm grabbing the same shade that we applied on the lid, and I'm just applying that to my inner corner. And then the very last thing that I'm doing is grabbing my spoolie. I ran it through some bar soap, and I'm just running it through my brow. And this is the finished look, you guys. Please let me know if you liked it. Just give me some recommendations. Just let's have a chat in the comment section down below. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, we have a monthly giveaway every single month on our channel. So if you are in the US, you can enter for that. All you have to do is give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!